Hi. So I was going to make a quick video just showing the process from like the developer perspective of creating a feature flag. Because for me, this is the piece that I feel is the most painful, maybe because it's the decision point of, am I going to create a feature flag for what I'm doing right now, or should I just kind of wing it and hope that, what I'm working on is going to work on its own. In an ideal world, that wouldn't be a difficult decision. You would just say, oh, there's some risk here. I'm going to create a feature flag. But there is enough friction in the process that it does cause you to pause. So I'm going to show, I just created a new branch. And this is actually something I was just doing yesterday for a really small MR. And I was reminded of why it's challenging. So I wanted to show it. So it's a brand new branch. And let's just say I know that I'm going to introduce a feature flag. So I won't add any code here. So I have the docs open. First I'm like, okay, I think I want a feature flag. I'm in the development type. I know there's a script for adding it somewhere. Here it is. Here, perfect. So let's do this. I'll name it Jesse feature flag. Great. This is helpful. Just specify the type. I know it's going to be development. It's going to be a short-lived feature flag just to ensure the stability of the deploy, the group. So yesterday I was doing this for the AYA framework group, so I'll use that today. So this is the first sticking point, which is that I just started working on this code, so I don't have an MR yet. So I'm going to have to leave this blank, which also means that I'm going to have to push up this change and then come back and edit this. I'll show you that flow. So this is blank for now because I have no MR. Rollout issue. Okay, so I don't have a rollout issue yet. Let me create a new one. So there is a template for this feature flag rollout. I know that there's been some work recently to improve this, so thank you for people who worked on that. Make it a little smaller. So enable description of feature. Oh, interesting. I usually just use the name of the feature flag instead of a description of it. So I'll just say enable that. Main issue link. So this should be for the feature that I'm working on. I don't actually have an issue right now. But I guess I can fill that out. I think, okay. I have to fill this out, GAI framework. This is gonna be me. I won't fill out the name of the PM. I don't want to ping anyone. And then is there anything else for me to fill out? I feel like there might be, but I won't know until I create this. I also have to put labels on it. This is usually a maintenance type of thing. This is feature flag. I'll assign it to myself. Okay, I've created the issue. Great. So I haven't really filled out any of this information. That's would take many minutes. I don't want to force you to watch me do that. Anyways, I've created the issue, so at least now I can put that here. Here it is. This is my feature flag definition. So I'm gonna git add everything. And then I'm gonna say like introduce new feature flag. And then I'm gonna push. Always takes a few seconds to push. Sometimes in the middle of this process, I forget what I'm doing and I go look at something else. And then I'm like, wait, I was pushing. But I'm recording, so I will be patient today. Okay, great. So push, I'm gonna go into GitLab. This is my thing. This is my branch that's there. So I'm gonna create the MR so that I can go into the feature flag definition file, oops, and add this MR link. Backfill MR link. And actually, I think that there is an automation where it will suggest the current URL of the merge request, which is pretty cool. So maybe one approach would be that we don't even prompt for this and we just assume the bot will add it. I don't know at what cadence that happens, but it usually happens pretty quickly. Or I just push the change manually. That's fine too. So anyways, that is just a quick demo of the bare minimum cost of adding a new feature flag. On the one hand, it's not so bad. I had to run a script and fill out some information and then open an issue and fill out some information. But on the other hand, I particularly wish that the rollout issue creation could be automated, because even though that template is smaller than it used to be, there's still quite a lot of information to add here. It looks like I might have done this piece wrong even. Anyways, I've done this a million times and I'm still not very good at it. So that probably says something about me, but also something about the process. So hope you enjoyed this video.